Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, super excited, we're going to be unboxing my Allure Beauty Box for the month of June. So if you want to see what I got, then let's just get to it. This is the box that it comes in. Alright, let's see what I got. Alright, so we got a little booklet here. I think, yeah, these normally just show what you got in them, which I don't want to see because I want to be surprised. So I have some Bubble Bar coupons, $20 off. Never shopped there before, so I might have to try them out. And then we have another little kind of booklet with, it looks like, some different items in there and just some different coupons. So I'll have to look at those later. Okay, so the first item that is in my box is this SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. It says volume, refresh, and hold. Dry shampoo meets hairspray. But it says hit refresh, absorbs oil, soft hold, revitalize next day hair with instant freshness, full of texture and volume for that perfectly imperfect undone look. Never heard of this brand, so I'm gonna have to try it and see how I like it. Okay, so next we have a cute little neon green bag with a bunch of items in it. So every box that I've gotten so far does have a see-through bag, so I think I'm up to like 5 or 6 bags so far, but it's still really cool for $10. Okay, so the next item we have is this Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Huh. This is just what it looks like. And it doesn't have any directions or anything on the back, so I guess I'll have to try it out and see how it works. Next item is this Avene Thermal Spring Water. Soothing and softening. Don't really know what this is. I don't know. I don't know. It's for sensitive skin. That's good. Next we have this Moroccan oil treatment. It says to apply to damp hair and style as usual. I don't know if this is for like dry hair or if it's just a treatment in general. I'm gonna have to look into it more and then try it. Okay, so next we have good old floss. So it says my new favorite lip gloss, which, as some of you may know, I love glosses, so let's see what this is about. I like this packaging. This is super fun. It's like a faint pink. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it and see. Alrighty, so the last item is the Brow Gal, the pencil medium brown. Let's see. This is what it looks like. It has a pencil sharpener on the end, which is kind of cool. I'm really digging that. On first glance, it looks like it might be a little too light for my brows. I don't know though. It's actually coming up pretty dark on my hand, so I might be able to use this, and it's gliding pretty nicely. So actually super excited for that. And then it does have a spoolie on the end too, which is awesome. Alright. Overall, not a bad bag, especially for the price of $10. I think it's $10 that I pay. I'm not 100% sure, but it's somewhere around that. But yeah, not bad. I think my favorite items out of the bag are probably the brow pencil, the lip gloss, and the Moroccan oil. Those are the ones that I can see myself using right away. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what type of video you do want to see next. And until my next one, bye!